Tofu is healthy food made of beans. I also like tofu very much because it tastes very soft and savory. There are many dishes that we can make using tofu. Let me introduce two different dishes. The first dish is breaded tofu. First, to be able to make sauce, add the water powder, minced garlic, soy sauce, sugar, oligosaccharide, sesame oil, and sesame seed. Then stir it inside the bowl. Then, next, cut tofu into proper size. Then, put cooking oil in a fry pan and fry the tofu until it's golden brown. Shred the onion and the green onion. Press them on tofu. Next, pour some water and spread the sauce. Lastly, boil it down and this is ready. The next dish is soft tofu shoot. First, prepare the soft tofu and sprinkle a little bit of fat. Then marinate the minced pork with soy sauce, cooking wine, and pepper for 10 minutes. Chop the onions pumpkin, red pepper, and green onion. Now put cooking oil in a fry pan and add the green onion. Add the red pepper, fork, and stir it dry. When the fork is done, add some water, pumpkin, garlic, and soy sauce, and keep boiling. Finally, add the soft tofu and boil for 3 minutes. So, why don't you try this recipe for dinner tonight?